Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've got the essentials ready: updated app, signed in account, and the photos you want to share. Open Instagram and tap the plus icon at the bottom center to create a post. Immediately select one photo or multiple with the Select tool. Choose the crop ratio like 1, 1 or 16:9 so composition fits the feed. Once done, tap Next to enter the editing stage. This is where you shape how people will first notice your image. Now refine your image so it stands out. Start with a filter if you want a quick look, then use edit tools to tweak brightness, contrast, structure, and warmth for consistent tone. Small moves matter. If posting multiple images, reorder them by dragging. Tap Tag People to add usernames and include a location for reach. Make sure to open Advanced Settings and add alt text so visually impaired viewers can understand the photo. This improves accessibility and can boost engagement. Finish by writing a caption that explains the photo or tells a story. Include relevant hashtags and mentions to extend reach. Choose whether to also share to your story or link to Facebook. Toggle advanced settings for comments or branded content. When ready, tap Share and wait for the upload progress to complete. If the post fails, first check Wi-Fi or mobile data, toggle airplane mode off/on, then retry. Clearing the app cache or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.